Hey, sustainability, what's that? Let's go. Tell me what that is. Tell me right now.
What is it?
What is it?
I don't even know what it is.
Why are you about to find out?
Let's find out.
Welcome back to How to Do Basic Things. Today we have Anna, who's going to be helping us or teaching us how to live a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Anna, thank you again for coming onto our channel and helping us out.
Of course, it's a pleasure to be here.
So Anna, what are some basic things that we can kind of do to help the environment just kind of be more self-conscious about what we do?
Yeah. So, first of all, we only have one planet Earth here. At the end of the day, you know, gotta take care of the planet. Be conscious of the waste that we're producing. So, you know, when you go out to get a cup of coffee or a drink or something, just a simple no straw please will reduce that amount of waste. Yeah. All plastic utensils take hundreds of years to decompose. You use it for about 10 minutes, so you don't really need that straw in your life. If you really love your straw, you can get a metal straw, carry it around with you. Same with utensils, you know, use your metal utensils at work, if your work has utensils in the kitchen, or you can get a little pack of utensils to carry around. They pile up, end up in the oceans, end up in the bodies of fish. We'll say that if we don't start making serious changes, by 2050 there's going to be more plastic in the ocean than fish. So if we want to keep the oceans, you know, living and fish friendly, then gotta be more conscious of our choices.
So what are some other things that we can possibly do other than getting rid of plastic utensils? What are some other lifestyle habits that we can adapt?
Well, you can always have your handy water bottle. Stay hydrated. Don't have to buy plastic bottles all the time.
Okay.
You know, these last forever.
As long as you don't lose them.
As long as you don't lose them, which a lot of people do.
Yeah.
You keep your water bottle around. It reminds you to drink water and a little bit more conscious of the waste that you're producing.
Yeah. What about like carpooling and think like metro, or you're you know, riding your bike to work or something, or just
of course. You know, a lot of companies, they subsidize people using public transportation or biking to work. It literally just takes a few more minutes of thinking ahead, and you know, you're cutting that carbon emission in half. You don't have to sit in traffic, and
you're getting a lot of exercise depending on biking or
exactly. Another thing you can do to keep up that eco-friendly lifestyle is, instead of using your dryer to dry your clothes, you can try to hang them up on the clothesline. It makes them smell great, and it cuts out a lot of your, it cuts out a huge chunk of
what are you doing? Sorry.
How did this get here? Cheers.
A few other things that you can do to reduce your waste that you produce, a simple shift in your lifestyle choices. You can always check out your local thrift store. Get some secondhand clothing. Not only is it reducing the amount of waste that's produced by the fashion industry, which is immense, but it's also way more stylish, like this vest.
This is fucking
You're saving yourself a little bit of money too.
A lot of money.
Yeah. Also, when you're finished using something and you're gonna go throw it away, be conscious of whether it needs to go into recycling, trash, compost, you know, what material is it made out of, can it be recycled? How can we make this process easier for everybody so that we're a little bit more conscious of our choices? At the end of the day, living a more eco-friendly lifestyle is a matter of measuring convenience versus the cost of a healthy planet. So if we want our kids and their kids to live in a beautiful world, then just take a few more minutes out of your day to think about your choices.
Well, thank you again for watching, you guys. If you thought this video was helpful, make sure to tag a friend, leave a comment, like the video. Was there anything else we gotta say? That's it, yeah. Alright, well, love the earth. Yeah. Quick bonus tip, avoid using plastic bags at the grocery store. So this means avoid using plastic bags on your produce items because they end up in the fridge either way. Secondly, learn how to take shorter showers and even more efficient showers. So this means if you're washing your body, learn to turn off the water while you're scrubbing yourself. Third, unplug appliances and electronics. So if you know you're going to be out of town, do us a favor and unplug your appliances and electronics so it doesn't drain any batteries. Lastly, go paperless. There's no need for you to get a bunch of paper in the mail. It's quicker and more efficient to pay online. Easy peasy.
Perfect. Sustainability.